Guys, welcome back to Jude Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add languages on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. And I'm going to show you with the two ways, right? So I'm going to show you how to add it for the Samsung Galaxy keyboard, and also if you're using the Gboard, how to go ahead and add those languages as well. Now what you want to do a swipe up and open up your settings, and from in settings you want to go down to where you find the general management, right? It says language and keyboard, date and time. So you want to tap on that. And from here in the list, guys, you will be able to see if you're using the Samsung keyboard settings or you're using the Gboard settings. Right now, currently it is set to the Samsung settings. So I will first show you this way. So tap on that. And at the top, you have languages and types, right? So if you tap on languages and types, then you click on manage input languages. You can go ahead and you can choose a language here by simply toggle that language that you desire on or off, right? Once you toggle it on, then you will have that specific language on your phone, right? So let's say I toggle the check language there. When I go back, I have check there and I can choose between the two that I want. And if you're not able to find the language that you want here, you can simply use a search to type whatever you want. And yeah, basically once it comes up, you toggle it on, right? No, how do you do so for the Gboard? The first thing that you need to do when you're currently using the Gboard, let's say, is that you need to ensure that you select the type of keyboard, right? So you want to go ahead and set your default keyboard first before you do anything else, right? So just go ahead and select the option that says keyboard list and default, and from there you will see default keyboard. So you want to change this from the Samsung keyboard to the one that says Gboard, and it's showing me English because that's the language that I had it before, but below it you see Gboard. So you want to toggle that on, and now the Gboard will be your default keyboard. So now whenever you go back to your general management, you'll be able to see languages at the top there. So once you go ahead and click on languages, you now have the language that is currently installed and set as your default language checked. But if you click add language, you can choose between the different language that you want here. And all you have to do now is just basically click on that particular language, and you can choose whatever is suggested or whatever, and you can add that language. You can keep the current one that you have, and you can also go ahead and set that new language as default if you want. If you don't, you just want to add it, you can just simply click on keep, and it will just be added there to your phone, nothing more. To delete a language, you simply need to click on it, right? And you just need to click on the remove button at the bottom, remove, and that language will be removed, right? Likewise, for the Samsung keyboard, you would just have to toggle that on, and you will be able to add that in as well. Now, another way you can add the language for Gboard, right, is by simply clicking on the Gboard settings here, and you will see languages at the top there. So if you click on that, it will take you here as well, and you can simply tap on add keyboard, and you are able to choose the language as well, right? So very easy and very simple, guys. Now, really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.